Hi guys, through here, Prepare Camping, and today Finn's giving me a hand as well, as we look at the Hacienda Cowboy Cookout Universal Stove. Now this kit comes quite well equipped actually. It comes with this massive cook pot, a griddle plate, charcoal holder and a grill.
That's cool. Ta-da!
So you see here with this ash collector and an air vent.
Get this
Slide in nice and easy.
Right, that's the grill.
Grill?
That goes in there, and then that keeps the charcoal up off that, see?
Get the hood.
Right, wait a minute, Finn.
Here.
Right, wait.
And when it's in operation, you can use this handy door on the front to add extra fuel.
Yeah, that's where the ash goes.
Yeah. So it went.
And the smoke comes out the top there, doesn't it?
This.
Yeah, that's where the smoke comes out.
Yeah. And let me have an echo.
Wait.
Echo.
Right, now the echoes are done with.
How big is that pot, Finn? That's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really huge.
It's about 18 inches across by 9 inches deep. We'll get that out of the way.
Put that on top.
Oh.
You got your hand caught?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. See where the handles was? Okay, you can get that bit there to go where the handle was on the other pot. Like that. See?
Right.
See? Now it's a flat surface that you can grill on. Oh, sorry, fry on. Like a hot plate. Right. Go get the other bit. No, wait. Go get the other bit and then we'll do echoes.
You could probably put a pan or something on top of that if you had to. But here's the charcoal insert. Or charcoal holder, I should say. And the grill. It's actually also quite a good fit for my wife's paella dish, as you see. So it's not for backpacking, but it's a great bit of kit. Go out and get yourself one. Thanks for watching.
What else you can do?
Pizza.